Hello everyone. We have started the chapter on equality, the first chapter of civics. In the previous class, we studied about right to equality, which is one of the fundamental rights provided by our Indian Constitution. It is in the Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, which says that every person is equal before the law. Then further we studied about universal adult franchise, which means that people above the age of 18 they have the right to cast their vote and select their representative of their choice. Then further we discussed about the dignity or the self-respect. Now today we shall continue with the chapter and we will study about types of equality in India. We have social equality, religious equality, economic equality, and gender equality. Moving towards the social equality, it refers to equal status for everyone, equal access to public places and public education, irrespective of caste and race and differences. So basically, the thing is that every person has the right to access all the public facilities provided by the government, be it the hospitals, the schools, or the parks. A society which is socially equal will be a very successful and productive society because there will be just more hands and brains to grow. Social equality is a positive aspect one must strive towards and hope that we are a part of such a society in a long run. Now moving towards the religious equality. Equality of all irrespective of religion a person practices. The preamble of India says that India does not recognize any religion as state religion. Everyone is free to follow their own religion. Government has no right to interfere. Which means that people of different religion, they are just free to follow their own kind of religion, their own type of traditions, customs, and everything. The government has no right to interfere. Also, it is written in the preamble of India that government has or the state has no right to accept a particular religion as a formal religion. Now, economic equality, it means equals opportunities, dignity, and respect for all, irrespective of the economic status and occupation of a person. It also means equal distribution of wealth among all social classes. The greater economic equality benefits all people in all societies, whether you are rich, poor, or in between. Like equal distribution of wealth among all the social classes. Every person, like as we know that in our society we have different people of different status. Like some people are very rich, some are in between, and some are even below poverty line. So Indian Constitution says that right to equality should be there. Means that people should not be discriminated on the basis of the economic status. Now, gender equality. Gender equality refers to equal treatment and opportunities irrespective of the gender of a person. Gender equality, also known as sexual equality or equality of the sexes, is the state of equal ease to access to resources and opportunities regardless of gender, including economic participation and decision making. Now, in gender equality, we have some important points that, like, first of all, sexual harassment, an obstacle that many women face in the workplace is sexual harassment. We have racism. Unfortunately, race seems to play a major role in how women are treated and compensated in the workplace. Now, the third one is women are promoted less than men, which is very true. But nowadays the things are changing. Fear of asking to be paid what you are worth. Now basically sometimes what women feel, they feel like they hesitate to open their mouth, to speak something at their workplace, at home also. So basically, the gender equality, somehow the gender inequality is there. Now, equality in Indian democracy. Every individual in India, including male and female persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic background, are recognized equal. This is not to say that inequality ceases to exist. It doesn't. But at least in democratic India, the principle of the equality of all persons is recognized. But earlier, no law existed to protect people from discrimination and ill treatment. Now there are several that work to see that people are treated with dignity and are as equals. There are four key things that must be worked around in the society. First one, every person is equal before the law. Like in the previous class also we discussed about it. No discrimination based on religion, race, caste, place of birth or gender. Every person has access to all the public places. If you remember, we have discussed this in our social equality. And lastly, untouchability has been abolished. So what we have studied today? We have studied about four types of equality. Then every individual in India, including male and female persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds are recognized equal. There are four keys. There are four key things that must be worked around in the society. And now here are some questions for you.